Welcome to our channel based on subjects suited to improve your general knowledge. Today's subject are animals. Let's start. Did you know? Sharks are the only animals that never get sick. They are immune to all diseases known to mankind so far, including cancer. Lake Nicaragua in Nicaragua is home to the only freshwater sharks. Polar bears are the largest land predators. They are very good swimmers and can detect the smell of their prey, seals, from several kilometers away. The skin of the chameleon possesses unique cells called chromatophores that carry color pigments. These pigments can contract or dilate in response to brain signals, allowing the color to spread into the cells and change the color of the skin. Sharks have an excellent sense of hearing. They can hear the movements of fish in the water from over 500 meters away. The humpback whale makes some sounds that can be heard from 850 kilometers away. The taipan snake lives in northeastern Australia and New Guinea and is the most venomous snake in the world. The taipan could kill 125,000 mice with its venom. Wolves have two layers of fur. The outer layer helps repel water, mud, and dust, and the inner layer helps the wolf survive temperatures down to -40 degrees Celsius. The carp is considered the creature with the most bones on Earth. Carp has 4,386 bones. As a comparison, consider that the human has approximately 206 bones. Polar bears live in the Arctic Ocean area, close to the North Pole. Surprisingly, they never lived in Antarctica, a place full of ice and food. The trunk of the elephant is as practical as the hand of a man. An elephant can pick up even a button from the ground with its trunk. The antidote for snake bites is obtained from the venom of the cobra, one of the most venomous snakes in the world. The first animal and the first being to fly into space from Earth in 1957 was a dog named Leica. The dragonfly is the national symbol of Japan, Japan being also known as Dragonfly Island, Akitsushima. Insects have 6 legs. The only bird in the world that sees the color blue is the cuckoo. A hen lays on average between 250 and 270 eggs per year. The only bird in the world that also sings during flight is the lark. The bee visits up to 1,500 flowers in a day. A bee must fly around 40,000 times to produce 1 kilogram of honey, which is equivalent to circumnavigating the globe. The skin of the hippopotamus is 6.5 centimeters thick, which protects it against most hunting weapons. This animal runs faster than a man, although it weighs around 4 tons. Mongooses are immune to snake venom. For this reason, it was tamed to catch venomous snakes. But the favorite food of the mongoose are cockroaches, larvae, and pupae of butterflies. There are only 3 species of snakes on the island of Tasmania, and they all have deadly venom. Everyone knows that a horse can sleep standing up. The reason, however, is an unexpected one. In order to see more quickly the approach of an imminent danger, one of the horses of the stud behaves like a guardian, guarding the others who are resting. Octopus and chameleons can quickly change color to ward off enemies or sneak up on prey. Hyenas and vultures don't have a great reputation, but they are useful as the health police. Without them, flies would spread pathogenic germs from animal remains. Camels can drink 94 liters of water in less than 3 minutes. Camels last much less time without water than giraffes. While camels can go 2 weeks without hydration, giraffes can last 2 months without a drop of water. The sounds of whales can be heard underwater at a distance of 1,600 kilometers. Dogs can detect a frequency of up to 35,000 Hz of a sound. That's twice what a human can detect. Leeches have 32 brains. Each of them is located in a different part of the body. The dog is the most loyal animal. In the square in front of Shibuya Station, Japan, there is a statue in honor of Hachiko, a faithful dog who waited every day for 9 years for the return of his deceased master. The black swift, a migratory bird similar to the swallow, can fly non-stop for almost 10 months. It eats and sleeps in flight and stops on rocks only to lay eggs and raise them. Owls have the ability to fly without being heard. The soft down on their wings dampens the sound. The owl is the only bird that moves its upper eyelids when it blinks. All other birds blink with their lower eyelids. Some of the most dangerous animals on Earth are the polar bear, the hippopotamus, the African bull, the elephant, the lion, the crocodile, and the great white shark. Polar bears and penguins never meet, each living on the opposite side of the globe. Bears live at the North Pole and penguins at the South Pole. Earthworms have 5 hearts. Polar bears do not have white fur as it is believed, but transparent. The mole can dig a tunnel of up to 90 meters, the equivalent of 2 large swimming pools, in a single night. The largest animal in the world is the blue whale. It grows up to 30 meters in length and can weigh up to 180 tons. The king of the jungle can be a very active animal, but also very lazy. Like domestic cats, the lion is able to sleep around 20 hours daily. The dog has 4 times more developed hearing than the human. Rats grow so fast that they can have up to 1 million offspring during their 18 months of life. The ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. The albatross has the longest wings in the world. The distance between the ends of the wings is about 3.5 meters. The polar bear can survive at minus 80 degrees Celsius. The 5 animals that sleep the least are cow 3.9 hours per day, sheep 3.8 hours per day, donkey 3.1 hours per day, horse 2.9 hours per day, and in the first place is the giraffe with only 1.9 hours of sleep per day. Cats do not have sweet taste receptors, so they cannot perceive it. Therefore, the legendary popularity of milk is just a myth. Although most people consume it, lactose is the main reason. In reality, cats prefer to drink water. The sex of a horse can be determined by its dentition. Males have 40 teeth and females have 36 teeth. The construction of the body of pigs does not allow them to look up, for example at the sky, but also to turn their heads. The largest carnivorous animal is the polar bear, with adult individuals weighing 400 to 600 kilograms and measuring 2.4 to 2.6 meters. The fastest mammal is the cheetah, capable of developing speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Female grasshoppers are known to bite the male after mating. Although there are almost 3,800 species of lizards in the world, only 2 of them are poisonous. Giraffes can clean their ears with their tongues. In butterflies, the taste receptors are located on their legs. One of the most venomous salamanders in the world is found in California. A single drop of venom can kill several thousand mice. If a man had the eyes of a hawk, he could read the license plate of a car from a distance of 800 meters. The killer whale is a very good swimmer. It can cover a distance of 100 meters in just 6.3 seconds. A normal person covers the same distance in 46 seconds, and the world champion in 9 seconds. An elephant can weigh less than a blue whale's tongue. Cats eat grass to help the body eliminate hairballs, but also to supplement some vitamins. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. They feed on nectar from flowers, but also small insects, and some species consume up to 3 times their body weight in food daily. The fastest land bird is the ostrich, which runs at speeds of up to 72 km per hour. By comparison, Olympic winners in the 100 meters run reach only half the speed of the ostrich. The fastest wing beats are mosquitoes 300 times per second, bees 200 times per second, and hummingbirds 80 times per second. Butterflies, on the other hand, flap their wings only 9 times in a second. The largest jellyfish is the Arctic cyanura. It measures approximately 2 meters in diameter and its arms can reach up to 37 meters in length. The heart rate of bats in summer is 800 beats per minute, while in winter their heart beats only 16 times per minute. Did you know that? Tell us in the comment section. Also share our video with your friends and see if they know this. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.